How to create or form an LLC in Kentucky. So first thing guys you want to do is very simple. Go to this website. It's called corpnet.com. As you can see, it's a simple website that will do everything for you. Here's the Corpnet. It's a very old and big website, and not new website or a scam or something. You can check yourself if you want. Then scroll down here and you will find the states. As you can see, you can create LLC in any state. For example, I'm going to choose Kentucky. It will take you into this page. Scroll down, click get started, and then choose the plan that you want right here. You can read those options. I'm gonna choose deluxe plan. Click continue. Now fill those informations right here, and after that click go to payment. And that's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.